यहाँ पर रेड की शुरुआत कर चुके हैं।
Yep, Rohit Yadav in the first raid, coming in from the right to left of our screens, and he's going in quick to unsettle the C formation of the defense. But I'm so happy to see that the Sariska High Flyers are not letting the bonus also go for Rohit Yadav. He tries in the kick. Very, very important is Amit Singh for Sariska High Flyers to get that first point going.
अपना समय ले रहे हैं अमित यहाँ पर, और डिफेंस लाइन बोनस लाइन के आगे है, तो लग रहा है ये एक एम्प्टी रेड होगा।
Raid for Amit Singh. Amit Singh has come in for the do or die raid. This is so important for Amit Singh to make a mark here because Sariska High Flyers are equalizing on Jaigarh Jaguars. Has he got out?
जी हाँ, जयगढ़ का किला वो भेद नहीं पाए और डू और डाई में उन्हें वो पॉइंट नहीं मिला। जयगढ़ जैगवार्स 3 पॉइंट और 3 नंबर के खिलाड़ी रोहित यादव टो टच करके जल्दी से भागना चाहते थे। ये भी एक डू और डाई रेड है। पकड़ लिया गया है, उन्हें उठाकर अपने ही कोर्ट पर रोक लिया गया। दिस टाइम दिस इज मोहित फ्रॉम द राइट साइड। मोहित इज टेकिंग हिज टाइम, इज बाइंग हिज टाइम, ही इज वेरी पेशेंट एंड ओके। Oh ho.
Right, that was such an
cross the
attempt.
line?
Yeah, just checking that out. They are counting men on there. Look at that. Rohit went in so deep on that right flank, got the right in and also the right corner defender. The cover also came in, was Chandrajat from left cover. So he has got the defender out and do or die raid. Can you imagine now? Naresh, he's coming in to raid for the first time in this match. He's not raided whatsoever and it's a do or die raid. Normally a left corner defender is Naresh Chowdhury, but he's been pinned down on a do or die raid and an all out here for Sariska High Flyers. As Rakesh comes in for do or die raid. So this time it's the pressure on the raider. So the defense has to sit back and enjoy the show. That's it. Rakesh can try everything he wants that is there in the Kabaddi book. He can go for it, but this was not required. This is what I was trying to say, Navneet. This really was not.
बस पैर को छू दिया, वहां पर कोई होल्ड नहीं था, आराम से अपने हाफ में आए। यहाँ पर नितिन गुर्जर बिल्कुल जिस तरीके से कह रहे हैं आप, और रेडिंग में फिर से पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा नवीन।
Exactly, and it was a do or die race. So very well done by Saithan Ghosal. Wow, that was some block. Super tackle situation on. He's got 2
यहाँ
points.
पर ऑल आउट सुपर टैकल।
No, it's a 2 point there, Navneet.
पर सूट आया है वहां पर 3 नंबर
और super tackle inflicted. Navneet, look at that. Wow, that super
कबड्डी उन्हें तो बोलना पड़ता है।
That's a good question. That is a really good question. Oh, Kabaddi chant has to keep on happening. But Amit Singh says, you know what, before this raid started, he said, I will go in, brother, relax, because it's a do or die raid. And he's taken up upon himself. So he's coming. Sahil Bagara wanted to go in, but he says no. And this is time for some action by Amit Singh because he's been, oh, look at that. So very well done. He saw the cover rushing him through. And there was no contact and both of them, he was controlling the team as well, but that weak attempt was not required. But now it is all on Naresh Chowdhury to come back. Naresh to really make sure this all out is not inflicted for the second time on Sariska High Flyers, because if Sariska High Flyers get that second all out, it's going to be difficult because this is on the last second edges of the first half. They have been all out. Second time all out.
सरिस्का की टीम, और यहाँ पर पकड़ लिए गए हैं रोहित यादव। यहाँ एक शानदार एंकल होल्ड और फर्स्ट half,
if I'm not wrong, because they have to nab the raiders and do not allow multiple raid points to go in. A bonus is all fine. That's okay. They really need to get their act together now, because Rahul on that right cover is making sure that's happening. This is what I was trying to talk about. Saithan Ghosal goes in. I was eyeing Rahul from the right cover to go in for the dash, and there was no point for Saithan Ghosal to go in for the dash. Look at that. And such a weak attempt.
जी हाँ, इसी तरीके की शुरुआत की उम्मीद रहेगी सरिस्का को।
Super tackle opportunity, and is it an all out? Is it an all out? They are counting men now.
It
Wow.
is all out देखने को मिल रहा है नवीन, और तरीके की प्रेशर को हैंडल करना आप इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर सीखते हैं, और जो चीज यहाँ पर ग्राउंड लेवल पर कर रहे हैं।
Garwal comes in for the do or die raid, but talking about Sahil Bagara, he should not be too very vocal in swearing on stuff and talking to other opponents when he's raiding. But look at Mohit Garwal being napped down on that right wing. Once again, it's that man from that right corner. Collateral damage kind of a way. Amit Singh now comes in for the do or die raid, and super tackle opportunity on action about to unfold here. Amit has to make sure he gets a touch on one of the defenders for sure, because Saitan Ghosal on the right, and it's going to be Paris on that left, and in the chain also is Rahul. Nothing yet for Amit Singh, and ankle hold coming in. Super tackle inflicted. Paris.
जिस तरह बाघ एक शिकार करता है, वो बार बार लगातार शिकार कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर।
What I read here, and Nitin Gujjar Navneet, I guess he's crossed the midline, is it?
जी हाँ, सरिस्का पैंतीस, जयगढ़।
Yeah, and Rahul came in, and the all-out blocks and completely tangles the raider like a python. You know, does not allow the raider to get back in any shape at all towards the midline. Do a raid for Sahil Bagara. Sahil Bagara now has to do the talking. Mistake coming in, not required. Saying that still will be a little far-fetched of an idea, but Nitin Gurjar on a do-or-die raid, and how many times we have seen this man win it into the super tackle situation. He's so good in raiding when there are 3 men or less than that. Look at that, goes in so deep, gets another point. I haven't seen him go down in a super tackle situation at all.
बना हुआ है, और जयगढ़ के किले को चील का टीला भी कहते हैं। और देखिए गेम के आखिरी कुछ क्षण, सरिस्का 48, जयगढ़ 35, ये जो डिफरेंस दिख रहा है, ये इतना आसान गेम नहीं था। जिस तरीके से पलटा है हाई फ्लायर्स ने, कमाल का खेल नवीन।
Yes, exactly, Navneet. Completely agree with that. And Sariska High Flyers have made sure the Eagle has flown on top of the fort of the Jaigarh Jaguars. And what a match. They were lagging behind in that first half by 10 points. And to make sure to come back and win this match so comfortably and so handsomely with 49-35, Sariska High Flyers have shown what they have got, with Paris being in the defensive line, and more than everybody, it's that man who's done all the talking, who's done all the hard work, is Sahil Bagara. He came in as a substitute, and he